Hi, Chris here, and I'd like to speak to you about the humble Rawhide mallet. I believe it's a very underrated piece of equipment that should be in everybody's toolkit. It will help you in any forming job that you have. As you can see in front of me, these forming tools, the forming stake, the ring mandrel, the block, the swage block, the bracelet mandrel, and your anvils. Because when you form and whack and hit it, it will not mark your jobs. Your metal will stay nice and smooth. And remember, every mark you put into a piece of metal, you have to get it out. And also here we have a less expensive alternative, but I still believe that the Rawhide mallet is the best way to go. I still have my one that I'm still using, that I was given as an apprentice some 47 years ago. And here it is. It doesn't look pretty, but it still works. So the longevity you can get out of these is unbelievable.